No.
That's you. That's Waylon. That's a baby.
Don't throw it. Good boy.
I didn't think about it until you said it. Oh, how sweet.
Good job.
That looks good.
Can you show me where your cars are? Where are your cars, Waylon? Where are the cars at? Where are the cars at? Can you point at the cars? Cars. Good job. Cars.
Sit down now.
That's the cars. Good job. Cars. Sit down, please. Can you show me where your belly is? Picture? Did you take the back of that off? Boy.
Here, Waylon. See, you can touch these. There you go. There's your car trucks. You leave them, put them there when you're finished playing with them, okay? You can have those. Yep. Truck. Truck. Can you put your picture back up there nicely?
He took the back of the stand off. Oh, I have to fix it. Hey, Waylon.
Who is that?
Are you kissing yourself? Are you kissing yourself? Are you that sexy?
Yeah, let me clean it off first.
Whoa! Hey, Waylon. Waylon. Can you show me where your belly is? Waylon, where's your belly? Waylon. Hey, Waylon, where's your belly? Hey, Waylon, where's your belly? Why are you looking around? Where's your belly? I will.
Here, come look at yourself. There you go. That's Waylon. Handsome guy. Such a handsome guy.
He's a go away. That was rude.
Goodbye.
Where's Grandma? Where's she at? Hey, Waylon, where's your belly? Where's Grandma? She's at the, somebody's at the door. Go get the door.
Here, go back in there. Go back in there.
Somebody's at the door. Go get it.
Say, who is it?
Who's at the
Okay,
door?
let you know who it is. Teach him. Now, put your picture back. Good boy. Thank you. Here, come to the door.
Who's at the door, Waylon? Who's at the door? Oop. God, that's freaky.
I'm waiting. Waiting. I'm over here waiting. Wait a minute, I gotta have to practice that voice.
I think he likes you better than Elmo popping through the door. There's somebody at the door. I think it's Elmo. Go get the door. God. Bruce. They can hear you say that, whoever is listening.
I don't have any hair on.
You don't have any hair on.
My wig's gone.
I can see your head. What are you